Is your desktop cluttered with icons and shortcuts? Want a clean, minimal workspace like this? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide or remove all desktop icons, including the recycle bin for a fresh aesthetic look on Windows 10 or 11. Let's go. Number 1. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. Hover over View. Click to uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Boom! Clean screen. No distractions. Number 2. Even if you can remove all the icons manually, some icons cannot be removed. For example, Recycle Bin. For this, you have to right-click on the desktop and click on Personalize. Then go to Themes and scroll down to Desktop Icon Settings. Here, you have to uncheck the icons that you have ticked and click on. OK, now your desktop is completely clean. Number 3. First go to Settings, then search Taskbar. From here, if you scroll down, you will find an option called Taskbar Behaviors. Click here. Here you will find the option to automatically hide the taskbar. Mark this option. Now your desktop is super clean. There are no icons on the entire monitor. Only when you move the mouse down, the taskbar shows. If you want to get more informative videos like this, subscribe to the channel and like it. If you want to know anything, you can tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching.